Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to illustrate a leather pant, right? So there are two kinds of leather, the pure leather and the faux leather. So before we start understanding, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some garments. Now we'll analyze how a garment is shown. So here you can see there are only two shades. The light reflection, because it's a faux leather, it's shiny. You can see this light reflection. Now this is slightly matte, okay, and there's not such a heavy contrast in the light, so it's more like a grayish tone. But the earlier one was like very white and black. Now here also, before you start illustrating, understand the character of each garment or each fabric. So how the crease lines are falling, how the shades are happening, which part is dark. Now again, this is like a puffer jacket, and puffer jacket, yeah, the vinyl fabric is very soft and there are more crease lines. Now depending upon the fabric thickness also, the crease line differs. Okay, so we'll start first with the pose. Now I'll show you easy simplest way of doing the leather pants. Starting first with the pose. Now I'm showing you the side pose. Now I'll explain how to do a side pose also. So let's say this is your front. Now your front is basically an hourglass. So that's a head, and that shoulder is almost twice the head. Waistline is once the head, and from the hip to bifurcation of the legs are happening. So that's your front pose, right? But side pose is going to be slightly different. Now in side pose there won't be shoulder. How you have two sides, the shoulder, here you won't have shoulder. You'll have a back spine line, and the arm socket is from the center. The stomach is flat. There's a big bulge for the hip. Now here you have two legs bifurcating from the hip. Here only one, in the side pose only one leg is seen, the another one is from behind. Hand also, only one hand is seen, the other hand is not seen, right? So once the pose is done, the second step is giving the garment outline and the crease line. Now since it's a close fitted pants, what I'm doing is giving a crease lines and wherever the light reflection is. Now while giving the crease line, normally I give only one line, but because this is leather pants, what I'm doing is I'm giving a double crease, two lines for the crease, right? Over here also see how I'm giving two lines for the crease. So that area I'm going to leave it completely white, and everything else is going to be dark black. So it's very easy to do this because there are only two shades involved, dark black and shiny white. With the stilettos also, I'm marking all my light reflection area. Now while doing leather, you have to understand many things. As I said, there are two kinds of leather, the pure leather and the faux leather. So faux leather is an artificial leather, but when you talk about pure leather, it's a natural material, and it doesn't come in roll like how the other fabrics usually come. Why? Because it's animal, so it's it's one animal, and leather is usually measured and calculated in square meter or square feet or in the weight. They measure the kilograms. There are many things which is considered when we are working on pure leather: the thickness of the leather, the weight of the leather, the part from where which part of the height comes, like the shoulder, the belly, the back. So which part of the animal body the leather is from, because that also the character changes. So it's very important when you learn about your whenever you're designing, you need to know many things about each and every fabric you're using. Personally, please don't use original pure leather. Peter, please. Okay, so when it comes to faux leather is an artificial leather. It's basically some chemical, plastic, polymer, something added. So that's easy and that's fun. So now you can see how I'm doing. What I'm doing is just the white line, leaving that area white. It's very simple, giving the black outline and then coloring it up. Again, the medium what I've used is the regular sketch pen. You know, you get those 25-30 rupees wala pack, Camlin ka pack. And for the outline I'm using a luxury gel pen. So any gel pen would be fine, and it's quick and easy. Indeed, it's very easy. The only thing difficult is to identify which are your lighter tones. Now that also, once you look at certain design and you analyze it, you learn the method, then it's very easy. Then you'll always know where the crease line would fall, which part would be darker, which part would be lighter. So it's very easy. See, it's done. Now see, these are the sketch pens, the Camlin sketch pen. For the top also, it's a striped top, so I'm giving red line again because it's a tube. Understand how a crease line will fall. It goes according to the body contour. I'll give the skin. See, so it's easy, it's done. Now I want every one of y'all to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I want to see if you really like it or not. Please show some love. Tell me if you really like it. Hit the like button and share it with people who really are interested into designing. I'll be putting many informative videos. You learn something new always, apart from illustration. Yes. So if you really enjoyed this video, I want every one of y'all to hit the like button. Do that for me, darling. And a lovely black hair. Oh, she's looking pretty, isn't she? So we are almost done. Write in the comment whatever you want to learn. If you have some doubts, if you have some queries, please put it in the comment, and I'll try to make videos on that. Of course, there's a long list of videos I want to work on, and eventually I'm going to do many videos. So that's done. I'm just giving the outline. She's looking pretty, isn't she? Okay, adding a bit of backdrop. I always prefer making some background to it. So that's me. So subscribe to my channel. Tell me if you really like this. Thank you.